Today I'm going to show you the word count by book feature, including the new option to use multi-select to subtotal your word count. This is especially useful to prepare readings when you may want to see how long your readings will be and see the breakdown between the books that you've used. To demonstrate, I've opened my list. This shows in the bottom right-hand corner how many words I have used in my list so far, 1,128. If I click on this up arrow at the bottom, it pulls up this box, which shows me a breakdown by book. It tells me that I've used 7 citations from the Bible for a total of 438 words, 6 citations from Science and Health for a total of 543 words, and I've used 1 hymn for a total of 147 words. And it again shows me the total of 1,128 at the bottom. Now, if I decide that I'd like to make my readings a bit shorter, I might want to go up and just select some of the citations from the Bible and some from Science and Health. So I'm going to pick a couple of these and click in the boxes to the right of the citation, and some from Science and Health as well. Then I'm going to come back down to the box at the bottom, and it is now showing me I've selected 3 out of the 7 I originally chose from the Bible. And my new word count is 121. Out of Science and Health, I've selected 2 out of the 6, and I'm now using 72 words out of the original 543. At the bottom, this shows my subtotal. It also shows on the left-hand side at the bottom the number of citations that I have now selected. Now, if I would like to see how many words I'm using without the hymn, and this could be handy if you were a reader possibly, and you wanted to see how long your readings were without the hymns, what you can do is you can click on the number to the left of the citation. Clicking on that takes that citation out of the equation. So now it's showing that I don't have any hymns included, and there's no number over here, and it brought down my total to 981 words. If I want to put the hymn back in, all I have to do is click. And this is showing me, once again, how many words I am now using with this selection. If I want to take some away, add others, I can go ahead and do that, and that keeps the subtotal going. And this is how you can use the word count by book.